In this video, I'll show you how to install ChatGPT into Google Sheets. OpenAI recently made an announcement on LinkedIn saying that they just released an add-on for Excel and Google Sheets. What this means is directly inside Google Sheets, you can open up a sidebar, type in some information or things you want doing, and ChatGPT will make all of the changes directly to that Google Sheet in real time. Whether that's formulas, adding charts, cleaning up spreadsheets, or any sort of admin that you need, ChatGPT will be able to do it for you. To get started, you'll want to go over to chatgpt.com/apps/spreadsheets. I'll also leave a link in the description for you that will take you straight there. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to install it for ChatGPT for Google Sheets or for Excel. I'm going to do Google Sheets for this tutorial. You'll now come to this page where you can click install, and if you've done it successfully, ChatGPT will say this has been installed. You'll now want to come to a Google Sheet document, then click on extensions, and you'll see that there's a new extension called ChatGPT. Hover over it and click open sidebar. ChatGPT will now open up in the sidebar, but let's just say the first thing I want this to do is to sort this information in alphabetical order. So I've just typed it into the sidebar, it's reading the data from the sheet, and just like that, it sorted the sheet for me. Now that I've sorted the sheet, I can see that I've got loads of duplicates. So I can just go ahead and say remove all the duplicates. And now it's starting to remove all of the duplicates. And in real time, it's actually removing all of those duplicates. And it did a pretty good job. Now I can see that I have other URLs like these that might need an HTTPS before it to actually make it clickable. So I can say in the selected range, add HTTPS / to each cell. And just like that, it added what I asked it to do. You can do so much with this, but I hope this tutorial gave you enough insight into how to install ChatGPT add-on to Google Sheets and how to use it. If you enjoyed this video, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.